Hello everyone, let's learn how to use coins on AliExpress. Coins on AliExpress are bonuses that can be used to save real money. They are valid only within the platform, so you can't withdraw them or share them with your friends. But regular AliExpress customers know that all those limitations are not a barrier for smart shopping. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open AliExpress app on your device. After that, you need to go on message button in top right corner of the screen. Next, you can see all message with your order information, and first message is for AliExpress Coins. Then you need to go on that message. Now you will come on this menu, and on this menu you can claim AliExpress Coins. To come on your daily coins, you need to click on all of this 3 woods and you will claim your reward. When you do that, you can see how many coins you have in top left corner of the screen, and next scroll down and see recommended stuffs you can get a discount on with AliExpress Coins. And when you choose the item you want, go on it. Next you are come on that item, and now you need to buy it by tapping on button where is written buy now in bottom right corner of the screen. Next, go to fill in additional items related to the product, and when you do that, go on continue button in the bottom of the screen. And now on summary section you can see a price of item and how many money you are saved with AliExpress Coins. This is not a lot of money, but buying more items you can save a lot of money. Then go to buy an item, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.